Hi, my name is Beth Wheeler and I'm the Instructional Coordinator for the College Now program, and welcome to our program. We're very happy to have you teaching a course for us, whether you're teaching a course we would be offering here at the campus and just relocating that course and teaching it at the high school, or whether you are in our early college or P-Tech program where you're already teaching high school level classes at a high school, but also now teaching Front Range Community College level classes too. So we're very excited to have you. This video is to show you how to log into your faculty email account. And it's very important that you log into that email account probably twice a week, I would say at the least, so that you can get information from me about the program, and I'll talk more about what kinds of things you can expect once we get logged into the email. So you see that I'm at the Front Range Community College homepage, and I'll be sending you another link to a different video to talk to you about D2L and EWOP, but the link for the webmail, and I did provide this link to you in the email that you also received the link for this video in, but the link for the webmail is located at the bottom of the home page, and you can click on it and it will take you to the login page. Your login will require that you type FRCC. This is a part of this email account is a part of the CCCS faculty email system, so you have to identify which college you're associated with. Do a / there, and then your S number, which was also provided to you in the email. Your password was originally given to you as well, so put that in for now, but it will prompt you to reset, and it will have to be 14 digits or longer. And so, as you see, that got me into my email account, and you received some information in that email about your faculty email account to help you understand the archive folders, and I'm trying to think if there was anything else in that email. I don't think so. That's some of the basic information I just gave you is just emphasizing what was already in the email. What I want to stress with you right now is what kind of information you can expect from me and in your instructor faculty email account. And those kinds of things will be updates about initiatives that Front Range is promoting with its teachers, invitations to participate in our professional development on campus, which, by the way, is paid when you attend those sessions. Bring your S number with you and you'll sign in and you will get paid for any of the on-campus professional development events that you attend. I will also send you information about things happening throughout the semester, course evaluations near the end when students have a chance to give feedback on your instruction in the course, observations that are required. If you're new, you'll be observed in your first semester, and after that you're observed on a yearly basis, and that is usually done by either me or a faculty lead or a chair. So, we'll communicate with you about when we're coming out, who's coming out, that kind of thing. And just information about the happenings in the semester. So I would be sure to log in and make sure you're getting all the information you need. Also, don't forget, if you're a CTE instructor, that as you are applying for your credential and then later on making sure you're completing coursework and other requirements to renew that credential, that you'll be communicated with by the credentialing officer on campus through this email account. So just going to stress one last time, please make sure you're checking your FRCC faculty email account. If you have any questions about anything related to the email or anything else, please don't hesitate to give me a call. You can see my contact information is here in the email that I'm displaying on the screen right now, my phone number and my email address, and then that was also at the bottom of the email that I sent you. Have a great semester, and I look forward to working with you.